Hello, The Healing Frequency of Sounds by me, Sarah Jane. Sound can hurt and sound can heal. Think about the sounds that surround you on a daily basis. From your alarm going off first thing in the morning, the different music you may hear on the radio, some of which you enjoy and others that grate on your nerves. The sound of doors closing and horns blasting, the rumble of traffic, the cries of children, the voices all around you, some happy, some angry, some sad. The sound of phones ringing, the tip-tapping on a keyboard, and so much more, all of which assault your ears. This myriad of sound can affect your energy levels and your overall well-being. Perhaps it would be interesting to make a list of all the different sounds that you hear in a normal day and rate how they make you feel. There are healing frequencies, Hertz, that you can listen to help different areas of your body and support you. Here are just a few of them and their benefits. 174 Hertz is associated with the reduction of both pain and stress. 285 Hertz is considered instrumental in the healing of cuts, burns, and other physical wounds, activating the body into cellular regeneration. 396 Hertz, the frequency associated with the removal of fear and other negative feelings. It balances the root or base chakra. 417 Hertz, the frequency associated with, let's go back to that. 417 Hertz focuses on the removal of negative energy, including those around past trauma, helping to dissolve emotional blockages and activate the sacral chakra. 432 Hertz supports the heart chakra. Listening to this frequency is believed to lead to greater levels of mental and emotional clarity. 528 Hertz, known as the love frequency or miracle note, and has been used by indigenous peoples as a sound associated with blessings for centuries. 639 Hertz also affects the heart chakra, associated with supporting the production of positive feelings and more harmonious relationships, encouraging clearer communication practices. 852 Hertz is a tone associated with redirecting the mind away from overthinking intrusive thoughts and negative thought patterns. 963 Hertz. Frequencies are associated with the activation of higher spiritual development. It is known as the pure miracle tone and the frequency of the gods. These are just some of the instruments used in sound frequency therapy. Didgeridoo, drums, gongs, panpipes, the rain stick, singing bowls, tuning forks, and wind chimes. If you wish to explore these healing sounds for yourself, my suggestion is put Hertz music into your search engine, and you will find many pieces available to listen to. Namaste, sweet souls.